A failed contactor can stop both compressor and fan power and cause a total air conditioning shutdown during a heat wave. A contactor is a relay that closes the high voltage circuit to the compressor and condenser fan when the thermostat calls for cooling, and when its contacts become pitted or welded, the coil may energize without the contacts completing the circuit, or the contacts may not seat at all. Inspect the contactor visually for burnt, blackened, or misshapen contacts, and check for excessive arcing on the last quarter inch of the contact surface, because small pits greatly increase resistance and heat under load. Measure coil voltage at the contactor terminals while the thermostat is commanding cooling to confirm the control circuit is working, and measure continuity across the load contacts with the unit de-energized to verify contact closure. Replace contactors that show any visible pitting or where contact gap is inconsistent. Choose a contactor rated for the unit motor locked rotor current and the correct coil voltage, and prefer a heavy-duty or industrial-duty contactor for air conditioners that cycle frequently. Lubrication of contact surfaces is not recommended since it can attract debris and promote arcing, but ensure the contactor enclosure is clean and sealed to prevent dust and moisture ingress that accelerates wear. Schedule a pre-summer inspection to swap borderline contactors proactively and tighten terminal connections. And always verify capacitor health, because a weak capacitor can increase compressor start current and stress the contactor. Common mistakes include assuming the thermostat or control board is at fault instead of checking the contactor first. And the fix is to use a simple step-by-step, confirm control voltage, then verify contact closure under no power, then observe operation under power. Another issue is replacing with an undersized or incorrect coil voltage contactor, which you avoid by reading the nameplate ratings and matching both contact rating and coil voltage precisely. A third frequent problem is loose high voltage terminals that create heat and pitting. So tighten lugs to manufacturer torque specs and recheck after the first short run. If you see discoloration on wiring or terminals, replace the affected components and the contactor. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who do air conditioning maintenance and replacements, and helps contractors find work by connecting them with nearby leads. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople share experiences, ask questions, and get practical advice about system reliability and pre-summer preparedness.